Hey, welcome back to Terry's Model Rod Shop. I finally got around to making a new video where I finished up my GTO here, and I'm going to show you the finished product. And the wheels and tires have been installed, and the disc brakes and the windshield wipers, and there's the motor with the custom air filters. And I didn't do no wiring or nothing, just pretty basic undercarriage and the exhaust pipes. And then in the back you can see the custom made license plate and decals. And looking in the interior, you can see the gear shift I made that I talked about in the last video. So everything's all buttoned up, and it's on to the next project. And I'll see you later, and keep building and have fun.